When it comes to installing windows in Sanford, homeowners often overlook key details that can affect the quality, performance, and durability of their installation. Whether you're replacing old windows or building a new home, proper installation is crucial for energy efficiency, security, and aesthetics. To ensure a smooth installation process and avoid costly mistakes, here are some of the most common errors you should avoid. Neglecting to choose the right window type. One of the first and most important decisions when installing windows is choosing the right type for your needs. Sanford's climate, which can experience both hot summers and chilly winters, calls for windows that offer good insulation. Homeowners often make the mistake of picking a window based on appearance alone, rather than considering its energy efficiency, size, or material. For instance, double-glazed windows are a great choice for insulation and noise reduction, while vinyl or fiberglass frames may offer better durability and lower maintenance compared to wood. Not considering the specific needs of your home could lead to drafts, increased energy bills, and constant repairs. Improper measurement. Accurate measurements are key to a successful window installation. A mistake as small as a 1/4 inch error can cause major issues, such as improper sealing or difficulty fitting the window into the frame. In many cases, homeowners attempt to measure their own windows to save money, but an inaccurate measurement can result in costly fixes down the line. Hiring a professional installer ensures that all measurements are precise, and the window will fit securely into the designated opening. If you're not using a professional, double-check measurements, especially the width, height, and depth of the window frame. Failing to properly flash the window. Flashings are essential for directing water away from your windows and preventing leaks. A common mistake is neglecting proper flashing installation, which can lead to water damage, mold growth, and premature window decay. Without the right flashing techniques, even the most high-quality windows can fail. When installing new windows, it's essential to use the correct materials and methods for flashing, especially in areas where rainfall is frequent. This will create a watertight seal that protects both the window and the surrounding structure. Inadequate insulation around the window frame. Proper insulation is vital for energy efficiency and preventing drafts. A common error made during window installations is not paying enough attention to the insulation around the window frame. Gaps around the window can cause heat to escape during winter and allow hot air to enter during summer, leading to higher energy costs. Make sure the installer uses high-quality, energy-efficient materials like foam or fiberglass insulation to seal the window. This ensures the window is tightly sealed, preventing air leaks and enhancing the overall comfort of your home. Choosing the wrong installation method. Not all window installation methods are created equal. Depending on your home's structure and the window style, certain installation techniques may be more effective than others. A common mistake is opting for a replacement window installation when a full-frame replacement is needed. A full-frame installation involves removing the entire window, including the frame, whereas a replacement window installs a new window into the existing frame. The wrong method can result in poor energy performance, unattractive finishes, or reduced window lifespan. Ignoring local building codes and permits. Sanford, like many places, has specific building codes and regulations for window installations. These codes ensure the safety and energy efficiency of your home and protect your investment. Failing to obtain the proper permits or disregarding local codes could lead to fines or complications when selling your home. Before beginning any window installation project, make sure to check with your local authorities to ensure compliance with building codes and permit requirements. Professional installers will often handle this for you, but it's important to stay informed. Opting for DIY without proper experience installing windows might seem like a manageable DIY project, but it's not as simple as it looks. Window installation requires expertise in framing, insulation, sealing, and sometimes even structural modifications. DIY installation can lead to mistakes that may not be immediately obvious but could cause long-term issues, such as leaks, drafts, or even structural damage. If you're not experienced with window installations, it's usually best to hire a professional. An experienced installer will ensure that the job is done right, saving you time, stress, and money in the long run. Conclusion: installing windows is a significant investment that can enhance your home's comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. However, to ensure you're getting the most out of your new windows, it's essential to avoid these common installation mistakes. By selecting the right window type, measuring accurately, ensuring proper flashing and insulation, and hiring a qualified professional, you can enjoy windows that will last for years without issues. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, a little extra attention to detail will go a long way in creating a durable and efficient installation for your Sanford home.